In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the virtual card on the Standard Bank. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Creating different virtual cards and using them for any online or in-store purchases that you make is extremely simple. You will be able to do this on the latest version of the Standard Bank mobile app. So if necessary, start by opening up the Play Store or the App Store and update your app. Inside of the app, after you are signed into your account, go over to the Manage tab. So with the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, select Manage, and the first option should be Cards, Settings and Limits. Immediately upon selecting the Cards option, you will be able to see all the cards attributed to your account, and you can switch between physical or virtual cards after you choose the option to manage your cards. Make sure that you go over to the Virtual Cards tab, and in there you can start the process of acquiring a new virtual card. So once you switch over to virtual cards, the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen should say Add Card. Immediately upon selecting this, you can see all the types of cards that the Standard Bank offers. So on this screenshot, they have the Zendo, the Travel Start, Take a Lot, and the generic card. You can choose whichever one you prefer. They will have different features and quirks. For example, some of them will be one star only, while the generic card is going to be everywhere, so just keep that in mind. It's down to personal preference, and regardless of which one you choose, you will be able to load it up with balance, get the credentials like the card number, expiration date, and security code, and start making purchases. Immediately upon creating the card, you will have to create a 5-digit secure code for this card, and then it is going to appear under your Manage window, where you can see the balance attributed to the card and, like I said, all the other details. So all that you have to do is top up the card with balance from your main account, and once it has enough balance attributed to the card, you can use the card number, expiration date, and security code on any store to finish making your purchases. I hope I was able to help you on how to use virtual card on the Standard Bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.